Hello everyone, welcome to your second Blender tutorial in my series of Blender tutorials. Last time I learned you the very basics of Blender, and the thing I suppose you found most interesting was creating objects. But as you probably discovered by now, all objects, including the default cube, is always gray when you render it. So try and hit F12 to see what I mean. And yeah, there you have a visualization of what I mean. Just a gray boring cube. So now what if you like to change the color of it, or maybe add a texture to it? Then that's not hard to do either. We're going to start off by putting some color in our cube. So hit this little icon down here. Now you see this thing right here, call for color. You hit it and you try and define your color. We're just going to take red, then you hit enter, and now as you see, your cube will turn red. Try and hit F12 to render it, and now as you see, the cube is red. And yeah, still red might not be the most fun thing to look at, so we're going to add some materials to it, or a texture. But first of all, we need a texture, so we're gonna go to Google actually to download a texture. Here you go, Google, and now images, you search for gold texture. Now you should see this. We just take this as an example. Okay, actually we're not. This is not like the prettiest gold texture ever, so we're going to try out this. This one looks a bit more professional, let me say it like that. Now download this image, save it on desktop, and now go back into Blender. Now right here, when you're still in this menu, you hit this this icon right here that looks like a hole through cheese, and this is the texture buttons icon, and the shortcut to this is F6. Now make sure you're on the matte right here. Now you change texture type to image. Now say load, and you go to where you saved your file. Go texture to JPEG, and I hit select image. Now a good thing to do is always to hit this little car, or what it is. I think it's a car. Just hit it. That'll generate a that'll generate a name for your texture. Now double click the texture a few times and hit F12. And now as you see, the cube got a gold texture on it. So but you see, it's not like it's all black on this side because there's no lamp to light it up, and it's like pretty dark, and we don't want that. Or at least we don't want that in this tutorial. So you right click this lamp right here to select it. Now hit shift. Oh, sorry, I can't even pronounce shift today. That's embarrassing. Anyway, you hold down shift while you hit the D button for duplicate, and now put a lamp around here for an example, and rotate the cube too. Now try and hit F12. Now we added some more light. You see, now it's like pretty light up here, but still the other sides aren't lighting up, so we would like to do that. So again, if you have when you have one lamp selected, you're going to hit Shift D to duplicate it. we're going to place it here where it's dark. Now we're going to hit F12, and now it's light on this side too, and now the other side. Shift D, and we should be good to go. Now you see a nice lit up cube with a gold texture on it, or gold material on it. And actually, I suppose that's your tutorial on how to add textures or materials and colors to objects. And as you might have noticed and think like that's a little strange, you know, even though we already assigned a material slash texture to this object, it's still red in the viewport. And now why is that? That's because that it will take up a lot of CPU processing speed to make to show the cube in textured format. So yeah, short said, if it shows the texture in the viewport when not when rendering it, your computer will slow down like hell. So that's why they'll not show up right here. And yeah, as I was saying, this is the end of the tutorial, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye everyone, take good care.